Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a brand new collection by Crafter's Companion. This one is called Bold Geometric 3D Embossing Folders. So there are 6 embossing folders, 3D embossing folders in this collection. So let me show them first and then I'm going to show you what kind of project I created with those. So I've got this geometric squares, really nice embossing folder. Then we've got this seamless scallops, contemporary waves, retro circles, classic diamond, and geometric diamonds. So let me show you this one first. So I really wanted to create something else, and when I created few cards, I thought it's nice to create something else. So I created this Easter basket. It has a handle. It's really nicely inked, so I cut this embossing folder. I ran this through my die cutting machine, and then I inked those sections and I cut them nicely to fit my basket, as you can see. So I use straw bale. I think this is lavender eyes, and which one is it? Frosted sea glass. That's the another ink, and I think this one is, let me double check, this one is called Pink Tulip, the one I use on Sentiment. And of course I've got some eggs inside, and I think this one looks really pretty. So that's the first project. And then let me show you this gatefold card. It's a big card with this, I think this one is a classic diamond. Yes, that's the classic diamond. And lots of mats and layers, gatefold. Very simple card, but I wanted to show that you can create a card using this type of fold. And then I've got another one. This one's I think it's the contemporary waves. Yes. And I created my background with inks, and I ran through this embossing folder, and I inked it with, I think it's let me see, it's crushed velvet and fuchsia inks, and I think I use the same for those backgrounds. So this one is this hexagonal pop-up card, which looks really nice. Yes, so that's another fold. And then I've done this very simple 5x7 card, and let me see, this one is geometric squares, and as you can see I use a lot of pink, so this time I went for Oasis and Honey Pot. Water reactive inks by Spectrum Noir, and I created this banner and stamped, what did I stamp? Today and Always stamp set. I can't remember which collection is it, but just to give a little bit something. So that's another one. And then the next one is this pink again. So this one is the retro circles embossing folders. You can see lots of layers, and again fuchsia ink ribbon, the same as here, and just simply things. And then the last one is this geometric diamonds. I wanted to create something different. As you can see, I tried to snip into my embossing folders just to create a different look. So this one is a DL card, and as you can see, I just cut some of the sections and I lined them up on my card just to create a different look. And I really like this card. I think this one, together with this Easter box, basket, is my favorite. Of course I used some inks to create my background. As you can see, these are browns and light blues, and I matted on craft card by Crafter's Companion as well, and I use the sentiment. This one is called Simply Sentiment, and this set is from the Easter collection we had recently in on Crafter's Companion website. If I remember, I will link that one, because I love those stamps, and I think this set is very useful because the sentiments are quite small and it can fit even a little ATC. So I think it's a fantastic set. So if you can let me know, what do you think about embossing folders? Do you like them? Do you like working with embossing folders? What do you think about this collection, and which project is your favorite? Maybe you have a favorite project. Yes, as always, I'm looking forward to hear from you. I love reading your comments. Sometimes it takes me a time to reply, but yeah, like this month I had to do 21 projects for Crafters Companion, which was quite a lot, and I did struggle a little bit. Yeah. So yes, I hope you appreciate those videos. So let me know, what do you think about it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye for now.